Often when you buy a new wheel set such as this one from Hunt, it doesn't come with a cassette set or with a brake. In this video I'll show you how to mount this Centerlock brake and the tools, the one tool it needs. I'm gonna go in reverse order, obviously removal first and mounting after. The one tool it needs is this one. It's got this shape and obviously this ring in the middle fits. Tighten in this direction and break the torque in this direction. This lock ring says torque 30 Newton meters. Yep, so there we have a problem. You're gonna have to guess, because this is a hand tool, how much torque you're applying. You get it, the two shapes work together, and this one is a Park Tool BBT 9, or whatever that means. This is the one that fits this aluminum or aluminium lock ring, depending on the market where you're at. So the center lock comes off like so. The brake disc comes off like this, and on the hub what you see of course is the splines for mounting the brake rotor here. The hub obviously has been specified for center lock mounting, and the center lock ring here has actually two parts, and they come apart with no tools whatsoever, but with a little bit of fiddling there. So this lock ring here comes apart from this component here, and so the brake rotor looks like this when you buy one, whatever shape you like. I found this sawtooth pattern in the store and it was $10, and I said close enough. So these two components here, obviously 6 points to it, it's a hexagon, 6 points to this one, and in the disc you're gonna have to have 6 holes in it. The diameter of this one is also important. It obviously has to match your bicycle there, so this one is with a rear brake of 140 millimeter. So this is printed on the disc here. So that's that. Assembly again is very straightforward. Pick which one you want on the outside, typically with the letters on it would be the outside. Push this spike through, put the lock ring on the spikes, nice and even, just like so. Easy does it. And put it on anywhere, it mounts anywhere. Okay, so that's how these splines work. Put the lock ring on, don't cross thread it, it's not rocket science, yes, and torque it to 30 Newton meters of torque, however you want to guess it. If you don't know how much torque that is, you're gonna have to be there. You're gonna have to be familiarizing yourself with a torque wrench, and on a practice bolt somewhere you're gonna have to set it to 30 Newton meters and practice on a practice bolt. But the leverage on this and the feel on a long torque wrench is nowhere near the same as the leverage feel on something that's half the length. Half the leverage, twice the force. That's just how, you know, physics. So that's how it works. That's how it mounts, and it's good to go to be mounted on the bicycle. Yeah, of course I need a chain under the bicycle too, but that's another story.